When can you get an emergency custody order? Well, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. You know, the question is a good one because sometimes there are emergencies. Sometimes you need an order changing custody immediately. When can you get such an order? Well, you have to understand, emergency means one thing to me and one thing to you and a completely different thing to the court. The court will change custody based on emergency, but emergency in the court's eye means pretty much a child is faced with some imminent harm, imminent bodily harm, imminent harm to, their psyche, and harm to, an unhealthy activity exposure, which brings them to that imminent harm. Let me give an example. If you show, for example, that the other parent who has the custody is a regular use of drugs and alcohol, and you can prove it to the court may very well enter an immediate order changing custody. It can do that if there's some sort of threat. Or let's say you take it away and carted off to jail. Now the kids have no custodial parent. The court will grant an emergency order changing custody from one to the other. The court can do these things, but notice the examples that I used. Notice how dramatic they are. It's not just an emergency because you feel that, the person is driving the kid around in the car seat that's from 2024 and not the latest version in 2025. That's not likely to be considered emergency. But the kind of dramatic changes that could really cause the child to be negatively impacted, those are the kind of emergencies, those are the situations that the court might feel it appropriate that it grant an immediate emergency order changing custody. If you have any questions about your case, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.